Hi everyone, I am Jishi, Assistant Professor from the Department of Computer Science working in Emmanuel Arasar JJ College of Engineering. So, in today's session, I'll be taking you through an interesting topic called Structure of a C Program. First of all, what is a C program? A C program is a set of instructions written in the C language to perform a specific task, which means a C program is nothing but a collection of instructions which we are writing in the C language. So, these instructions tell the computer to perform a specific task. A specific task in the sense it may be a program to add two numbers or to find whether a number is odd or even. So, the next point is every C program follows a specific structure and order which makes it easy to read, understand, and execute. Every C program follows a specific structure and order. That means we write it in a proper sequence starting from header files to the main function. Because of the structure, the program becomes easy to read, understand, and execute. Next, let's see the structure of a C program. C program is divided into six sections. They are document section, link section, definition section, global declaration section, main function, and subprogram section. Now, let's move on to the first part, document section. This section contains command lines that give basic information about the program. Here, information means name of the program, author's name, date of creation, and purpose, etc. There are two types of commands in C program. They are single line comment and multi-line comment, where single line comment starts with double slashes and multi-line comment starts with slash star and ends with star slash. Now consider this example. In this program, the first line double slash adding two numbers is the document section and this line is the command line, which means the compiler ignores this line during the execution. Usually, we are writing command lines to describe what the program is doing. Here, the command tells us this program is used to add two lines. Okay, the next section is link section. The link section provides instructions to the compiler to link the program with header files or libraries that contain predefined functions. Now, consider the below example. In this program, the second line is the link section. Here, hash include stdio.h tells the compiler to include the standard input-output library. So, this library contains the definitions of functions like printf and scanf, which we will be using for displaying and reading the data. And the next section is definition section. The definition section is used to define symbolic constants and macros that are used throughout the program. So here in this section, we are defining constants or macros using the hash define statement. Now consider the below example. In this program, the second line hash define pi 3.14 belongs to the definition section. That means wherever we use pi in the program, it will be replaced by 3.14. This section helps us to avoid typing the same value again and again. Now let's move on to the next section called global declaration section. This section is used to declare variables and functions that can be used anywhere in the program. Global declaration section always comes after the definition section and before the main function. Now consider this example. In this program, the fourth line float radius is the global variable declaration and the fifth line float area of circle is the function prototype. Here We are writing both float radius and area of circle before the main function. So they are belonging to the global declaration section. Next, we shall move on to the next section, which is main function section. The main function section is the starting point of every C program, and the execution of the program always begins from the main function, which means every C program must have one main function because the execution of the program always starts from here. Now consider the below example. Here I have declared three variables. What are they? A, B and C. The value of 3 is stored in the variable A and the value of 4 is stored in the variable B, and then the summation of A and B is stored in the variable C. Finally, return 0 means the program has successfully finished running. Now, let's move on to the last part of the C program structure, that is subprogram section, which is also called as user-defined section. The subprogram section contains user-defined functions that are created by the programmer to perform specific tasks, which means subprogram sections are created by us in order to perform a specific task. Now consider this example. Here the function area of circle is a user-defined function which calculates the area of circle. Suppose if we need to perform the same task again, what we have to do? We have to do is just call the function instead of writing the code again. I hope everyone understood the structure of C program. So thanks for watching and see you in the next topic.